If you're dreaming of having that radiant glow, I've got the one thing your skin needs. Trust me, this is the game changer that have been missing in your skincare routine. So if you want that smoother, brighter, and seriously glowing skin, then stick around and get ready for some skincare magic. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Judith, your favorite skincare BFF. And in today's video, we are going to be talking about body scrubs. I'll be showing you the best body scrubs for glowing skin. And I'll also be walking you through skin brightening tips and exfoliation techniques that will help you achieve that smoother, brighter, glowing complexion. So if you're ready to find the perfect body scrub for your skin type and skin concern, then make sure to stay, like this video, and also subscribe because you're going to be learning so much on this channel. Now, like I always say, exfoliation is so much important if you want a brighter, glowing complexion. Like if you really want your skin to appear and look beautiful, then you definitely need a body scrub in your skincare routine because that's the one way you can get rid of the dead skin cells on your skin that is not allowing your skin to glow. So if you're ready to achieve a beautiful glowing skin, let's cut the chase and dive into these body scrubs and how it's going to work its magic on your skin. The number one scrub or the best body scrub for glowing skin I'll be talking about or recommending for you guys in this video is this Dr. Mina Sugar Scrub. I don't know if that's the correct pronunciation. This body scrub comes in different variants, but the particular one that I've been loving and enjoying lately that I'll be recommending for you guys today is this particular one with alpha arbutin. Guys, do you know why I love this particular one with alpha arbutin? I love the fact that it contains alpha arbutin, not just because it contains alpha arbutin, but because it also contains different AHA, BHA, and it has sugar as the base scrub. Now, hear me out. This is one body scrub that is going to slough off all those dead skin cells that are sitting on your skin and making your skin look or appear dull. This is a very nice body scrub and it's going to help tackle your dark spots, your hyperpigmentation, and give you that beautiful, smoother, flawless, glowing skin. The fact that it has sugar as its base scrub makes it a natural humectant that will help to absorb in water into your skin and keep your skin well moisturized. Like sugar scrub is one scrub that is going to help draw in moisture into your skin and keep your skin hydrated. This particular scrub does not irritate the skin. You don't really need to do too much when exfoliating with the scrub. All you need to do is to lather your body or make sure your skin is wet. Then go ahead and apply or massage this into your skin and watch how your skin is going to look afterwards. Like immediately you rinse off the scrub from your body, you're definitely going to see that smoother, beautiful, glowing complexion. You're instantly going to notice that your skin is a lot smoother, softer, and glowing. It's a really nice body scrub and it's going to have your skin looking everyday young. Like this will give you that nice supple skin that you have been dreaming of. So if you're someone battling with dark patches on your skin or you have hyperpigmentation or discoloration, like your feet is looking a lot darker than the rest of your body, or maybe you have dark armpits, this is definitely one body scrub you should be using. It's effectively going to help clear all of that out and give you that neat, beautiful, glowing complexion. This body scrub is suitable for all skin types and the price ranges from 6,500 naira to 8,500 naira depending on where you're getting it from. Prices might actually differ depending on your location. So it's a really nice scrub. If you can afford to get this, just get this body scrub and you're going to understand why it's super amazing. Now, the next or second body scrub I'll be talking about is this R&D turmeric and glutathione shower scrub. This is another awesome body scrub you should have in your skincare routine if you want your skin to be glowing. This body scrub right here is magic in a bottle. It contains powerful actives like turmeric, glutathione, kojic extracts, and other amazing ingredients. This body scrub is going to lighten your skin and glow your skin. Imagine hopping into the shower and looking a lot fresher and glowing than when you went in. That is exactly what this turmeric and glutathione shower scrub is going to do on your skin. It gives you an instant visible result. Now, turmeric is one skincare ingredient that is going to help brighten up your skin, tackle your dark spots, and give you that beautiful, brighter, glowing complexion. While your glutathione, on the other hand, will help to repair your damaged skin and make it glow. So this body scrub right here is the bomb. It's going to give you that spotless, beautiful, glowing skin. So if you're someone dealing with dark spots on your skin, or maybe you have discoloration on your body and you don't really know how to get rid of it, then make sure you're using the scrub like 2 or 3 times weekly in your skincare routine, and watch how your skin is going to look. Like, this is a body scrub that is going to help give you that smoother, brighter, beautiful, glowing skin. So if you cannot get this one with turmeric and glutathione, I would definitely advise you opting for the tomato and carrot variant. Like, these two variants are my favorite when it comes to R&D care body scrubs. Like, this is a very nice body scrub that is going to help give you that beautiful glowing skin. Both of them are super amazing, and they are going to help you achieve a brighter, glowing skin. So if you're looking to brighten up your complexion, or your skin is not glowing, then this is one body scrub you definitely need to add in your skincare routine. Like, it's going to help make your other skincare products work 10 times better. And the price ranges from 4,500 naira to 7,500, depending on where you're getting it from. So this is an amazing body scrub. So wherever you find it, just grab it, and you're definitely going to understand why I love it so much. Now, the next or third body scrub for skin brightening is this Carebeau Turmeric Spa Lightening Salt Scrub. See, if you can't afford to get the first two body scrubs I just talked about, just go get this body scrub right here. It's affordable and it works wonders. This is one body scrub I've been using for the longest time. And just like the first scrub, it contains both physical and chemical exfoliants. Like this Carebeau Spa Lightening Salt Scrub contains AHA, which is a chemical exfoliant that is going to help get rid of all the dead skin cells on your skin and give you that radiant, beautiful, glowing complexion. And the fact that it has a blend of turmeric in it makes it super amazing. Like, you guys should know by now that turmeric is a brightening ingredient. It helps to brighten and gradually tackle or get rid of your dark spots. Using this Carebeau Turmeric Spa Lightening Salt Scrub on your skin is going to help cleanse, exfoliate, and get rid of the dead skin cells on your skin and give you that sought after glow. Like, if you want that beautiful, seriously glowing skin, just go get this body scrub. It will help to brighten your skin and glow your skin at the same time. It's an amazing body scrub, and it's going to work its magic on your skin. It will give you that beautiful glowing complexion. As long as you're looking to brighten and glow your skin, then this is definitely one body scrub you should be using in your skincare routine. It's going to give you that smooth, soft, beautiful, glowing skin. Like, immediately after exfoliating your skin with this particular body scrub, you're definitely going to love the effect and feel on your skin. And the amazing thing about this scrub is that it's affordable. It retails at the price of 3,500 or 5,000 naira, depending on where you're getting it from. So it's a very nice body scrub that you should be using if you really want to glow and brighten up your complexion. Now, the next or fourth body scrub we'll be talking about is this Natrium KP body scrub and mask. Hold up. I know this body scrub doesn't look like any of the other scrubs I've been talking about, but guys, I had to add this on my list because this is one body scrub I would definitely recommend for anyone battling with strawberry skin, or if you're acne prone. If you're battling with chicken skin or keratosis pilaris, then this is one body scrub you should definitely be using. Or if you're someone that do have acne on your body, like you have dark spots or acne constantly on your body, then this is also one body scrub you need to be using in your skincare routine. is going to help you tackle that. This baby right here is what you need to be using. It's going to instantly transform your dry, bumpy, chicken, dull looking skin and give you a smooth baby like skin. Like, this is one amazing scrub that is going to give you that baby yummy skin. It's formulated with a blend of pumice, jojoba, AHA, BHA, PHA exfoliants. Like, this scrub basically works like a mask. All you need to do is to wet your skin while in the shower and apply this all over your body. Leave it on for a minute or two and rinse it out. Guys, the glycolic acid, salicylic acid in this body scrub is going to work its magic on your skin. Immediately you rinse off this body scrub from your skin, you're going to have a smoother, softer, brighter, beautiful, glowing skin. Like, this scrub also helps to decongest your congested acne pores. Now I feel like I'm speaking Latin, but what I'm trying to say is that this is a very nice body scrub that is going to give you that silky, smooth, softer, beautiful, glowing skin. So if you usually battle with body acne or bumpy skin or chicken skin, whichever one, this is a body scrub you should definitely be using in your skincare routine. It's going to help you get rid of all of that on your skin. So if you want that silky, smooth skin, just go cop this and you're going to love it. Now, the next or fifth body scrub I'll be talking about or recommending for you guys is the Cool Vitamin C Intense Whitening Booster. This is another amazing body scrub if you're looking to get rid of the dead skin cells on your skin and have your skin glowing. Guys, I had to add the scrub on my list because I feel like a lot of you are used to the Cool Spa Turmeric body scrub. But if you cannot lay your hands on this, you can actually use this Cool Vitamin C Booster and watch how amazing your skin is going to look. It's a two-in-one body scrub, so it's basically going to exfoliate your skin and give you a much brighter, glowing complexion. And the amazing thing about this body scrub is that it's also affordable. With 2,500 naira or more, you can actually afford to get this. It's a very nice and amazing scrub that is going to help get rid of your dead skin cells and give you that beautiful glowing complexion. It's suitable for all skin types and complexion and it's going to make your skin glow. The next or sixth body scrub I'll be talking about is this Dr. Teal Shea Sugar Scrub with pomegranate and blackcurrant. Like, this is another amazing body scrub that is going to help glow your skin and brighten up your complexion. It's suitable for all skin types and complexion. So if you're fair, dark, chocolate, or caramel, you can actually use this body scrub. It's going to help give you that amazing, beautiful looking skin, and it doesn't feel drying on the skin and it will not irritate your skin. It's a very nice and amazing body scrub that will brighten up your complexion and give you that beautiful glow that you're craving for. It contains pomegranate and blackcurrant, so they are going to basically help give you that brighter, beautiful, glowing skin and make your skin a lot smoother, softer, and glowing. Now, the next or seventh body scrub I'll be recommending you use is this Veet Gold Vitamin C body scrub. This is also a very nice and amazing body scrub that will equally help to brighten your skin and give you a much beautiful glowing complexion. This is one body scrub I've used before and I've actually reviewed it here on my channel. And guys, like, this body scrub is going to make your skin a lot smooth, softer, and brighter. So if you're looking to attain a much brighter, glowing skin, then this is definitely one body scrub you should be using in your skincare routine. It's going to give you that amazing glowing skin, and the price ranges from 5,000 to 7,000 depending on where you're getting it from. It's a very nice and amazing body scrub that you're definitely going to love and enjoy using. Now, the eighth or final best body scrub for glowing skin I'll be talking to you guys about is this Yoko Papaya Salt Milk Scrub. Like, this is another amazing body scrub, guys. And I actually added this to my list because if you cannot afford to get any of the other scrubs, you can simply opt in for this Yoko Papaya Salt Scrub. This is another amazing and excellent body scrub that will give you the best brightening and glowing skin you have been looking for, and at the same time is actually cost effective. Like, I think a pack of this retails at the cost of 1 2, but I don't really know the exact price right now, depending on where you're getting from. It's a very nice and amazing body scrub, and it's going to help get rid of the dead skin cells on your skin and give you that brighter, softer, smoother, beautiful, fresh looking skin. This is a very nice scrub. It doesn't irritate the skin, and it's very suitable for all skin types. So if you're looking to achieve a much brighter, beautiful, glowing skin tone, then definitely get this body scrub and add in your skincare routine. It contains papaya extract and vitamin E, which is going to help moisturize your skin and brighten up your complexion at the same time. Now, these are all the body scrubs that will help you achieve that brighter, beautiful, glowing skin. Now, one thing that can make or mar your skincare routine is your exfoliation techniques, how you tend to use these body scrubs in your skincare routine. If you're not using your body scrub the right way, is going to make or mar your skincare routine. If you have selected the right body scrub for your skin type, your skin concern, and you're not using it correctly in your skincare routine, it's definitely going to ruin your skin. Over exfoliation does ruin the skin, and exfoliating properly also helps to glow the skin. So it goes both ways. If you really want to achieve that beautiful glowing skin using any of those body scrubs, all you need to do is to jump right into the shower. Go ahead and wet your skin, apply your soap or body wash all over your body, wash your body like you usually do, and once you're done, you can rinse that out. Then apply your body scrub in a circular motion on your skin. Use your body scrub like once or at most 3 times weekly. So you can basically use it on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturdays to scrub your skin. That way, you're going to be getting the best results. Do not use body scrubs every day on your skin. Use your body scrub while you're in the shower, and work your body scrub right from your neck down to your feet. Do not use your body scrub on your face, because it can actually cause you micro tears and cause you to break out. Like, exfoliating your skin properly is going to give you that beautiful glowing skin. Now, let's talk about how you're going to achieve that skin brightening using body scrub. When you exfoliate your skin properly and consistently, you're going to notice that your skin will look a lot smoother, fresher, and is going to be glowing. Like, your skin is not going to be looking dull, because your body scrub is sloughing off the dead skin cells on your skin and renewing your skin cells. So when you're not exfoliating or scrubbing your skin is definitely not going to be glowing, because your skincare products will find it hard to penetrate into your skin. So you see, you can actually have a brighter looking skin when you're exfoliating your skin. So when you do not exfoliate your skin, that is when you're going to be struggling with dull skin, dry skin, bumpy skin, and the rest of that. So do yourself a favor and add a body scrub in your skincare routine, and watch how amazing your skin is going to look. So yeah, that is basically it on best body scrubs for glowing skin and skin brightening tips and exfoliation techniques that is going to help you achieve that brighter, beautiful, glowing skin. I hope this video was helpful. If you got to this point of my video, just please subscribe. Okay, it's free of charge. If you really enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and catch you guys on my next one. Bye guys.